Hey everyone, are you tired of spending hours and a small fortune on video production? Introducing Pictory and its script-to-video feature that will change the way you create content. Just as I did, you can test the features and see if it meets your needs. Once logged in, you'll see the option to create a new project. Select the script-to-video feature. Paste your script into the provided text, which easily formats the text and makes any changes that you need. Next, move on to selecting the style template of your video. Choose from a variety of templates or even upload your own branding. Then select the music, voiceover, and footage you want to use in your video. Pictory has a wide variety of options to choose from. Preview your video and make any final adjustments before publishing. With just a few simple steps, you can have a high-quality video ready to be published in no time. Just like me, you can try Pictory for yourself and see how easy it is to create professional videos with their script-to-video feature. So sign up for a free trial today on the Pictory website by clicking the link in the description below. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know. And thank you for watching.